If you have loaded TAG2 Beta version into many charts already and do not want to redrag new version each file individually, but most important, do not want to lose the current activation of code signals, this video will show you how to replace old version with new version without losing or changing anything. If you have multiple MT4 platforms, you will need to tag the MQL file half of the MT4 platform you like to tag in. Go to File, open Data folder. This will be the MQL hub. Most important, note down your terminal number. Write down this file path. Now copy and paste the new EA file expert folder into MQL expert folders. Close your data folder and close your MT4 file. Now go to your file explorer. Remember to tag hidden item box to show hidden folder. Click on C drive. Click on User, Administrator, Add Data, Roaming, MetaQuotes, Terminal. If you have multiple MT4 terminals installed, refer to the copied file path previously to identify the right terminal to manage your data. After you have identified the correct terminal, copy the TAG2 file name, then delete this file. Replace new version with the previous file name. Close your Explorer and restart MT4. Everything should be replaced properly by now.
These are trades which are done by myself or my students using the Alien War strategy. Join our community and take advantage of our 6 times a week training lessons, automated trade signals, and live trading sessions with our experienced alien traders. And for a limited time, we are offering a 100% full cashback offer on our course fee. That's right, you can learn our strategy risk-free. Over 1,000 students have already taken advantage of this offer and seen success. Visit this website now to learn more and join our community.